I had an empty Lego City advent calendar and I was about to bin it. But then I thought, why not turn it into something useful? So I decided to upcycle it into Lego minifigure display. All you've got to do is take out the bit inside and put your favorite minifigures in it. I'm using blue tack to stick them on. It is easy to remove if I decide to change this. And here it is, very cool Lego minifigure display. Made from advent calendar. You can paint it or leave it as it is. I personally like the look of natural cardboard. What are your thoughts? Let me know in comments.